It begins with a new way to look at travel for your plans to get from place to place and our commitment to get you there better than anyone else can. When you're flying for business or pleasure, you now have a choice within reach. MetropolitanJets.com offers a wide choice of sleek and sophisticated private aircraft, complemented by the full-service experience we're known for. We know there's a better way to travel. We fly private, and so should you. MetropolitanJets.com. Book a private jet today.